How to avoid toxic houseplants for cats. Cat owners put a lot of thought into making sure their cats live in a safe and peaceful setting. Even though lots of plants can make our homes look better, we need to be careful about what kinds we bring inside, because some can be dangerous for our furry friends that like to chew. As an expert on cats, I can help you understand which houseplants are dangerous for your pet and help you make a place where they can thrive without becoming sick. Understanding how cats act. Cats are known for being very curious, and a lot of the time they show their interest by exploring their surroundings with their mouths. When poisonous plants are nearby, this behavior can have bad results that were not meant. If cats chew on leaves or play with plants, they might not know that some of them contain chemicals that are bad for their health. Common houseplants that are bitter. Lilies, including Lilium spp and Hemerocallis sp. Lilies are known to hurt cats' kidneys very badly, even in small amounts. If you eat something, you might vomit, feel tired, and lose your appetite. Cat owners should stay away from all kinds of flowers like daylilies, Easter lilies, and tiger lilies. Philodendrons, Philodendron spp. These common houseplants have calcium oxalate crystals that can irritate and swell a cat's mouth and throat. Some signs are drooling, vomiting, and trouble eating. Dieffenbachia sp. These plants have beautiful leaves, but they also have oxalate crystals that can irritate the mouth, make you drool a lot, and make it hard to swallow. If you take in a lot of it, the symptoms can get worse. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. This is a popular, easy-to-care-for houseplant that has calcium oxalate crystals that don't dissolve in water. If you eat it, it could irritate your mouth, make you throw up, or make it hard to breathe. 5. Cycas revoluta, or the sago palm. The sago palm is a famous houseplant that is not a real palm, but is very dangerous for cats. If you eat any part of the plant, you could get sick with things like sickness, diarrhea, seizures, or even liver failure. How to stop it and other options. Consider taking the following steps to make sure your home stays a safe place for your cat. Educate yourself. Learn about common plants that are poisonous and get rid of them from your home. Know about plants that can be brought inside at certain times of the year based on their season. Pick plants that are safe for cats like catnip, catgrass, or spider plants. The choice is yours. Look into plants that are safe for cats that will not only look nice in your home, but will also keep your pet busy. Secure plants. Hang baskets or put plants on shelves to keep poisonous plants out of reach. To keep cats from exploring certain areas, use deterrents like double-sided tape or safe sprays. Keep an eye on your cat's behavior. Notice any changes in how it acts, what it eats, or how it uses the litter box. If you think your cat has eaten a poisonous plant, you should call your doctor. To make your home cat-friendly, you need to think carefully about the plants that you have in it. You can protect your cat's safety and health by learning about the possible risks that come with some houseplants. You can make sure that both you and your cat can enjoy the beauty of indoor plants without any health problems, if you know what to do and take the right steps. How can I tell if a houseplant hurt my cat? It is very important to keep an eye on your cat for any signs that a houseplant might be hurting them. If you think your cat may have touched a poisonous plant, here are some things to watch out for. Vomiting. Pay close attention to your cat's behavior, especially if it vomits a lot. This is a common sign of plants that are poisonous. Drooling and oral irritation. Too much drooling or signs of oral irritation, like pawing at the mouth or rubbing the face, could mean that the animal has come into contact with a plant that contains allergens. Changes in appetite. Keep an eye on what your cat eats. Loss of hunger or a strong desire not to eat could be a sign that a plant is poisonous. 4. Lethargy. If your cat seems less interested in playing or seems especially tired, it could be because it ate a poisonous plant. 5. Difficulty swallowing. Cats that are in pain or stress may have trouble swallowing. Look out for any signs that they are having trouble drinking or eating. Diarrhea. Changes in bowel habits, especially the start of diarrhea, can be a sign that a plant is poisonous. Behavioral changes. Pay attention to any strange behaviors like being restless, making a lot of noise, or hiding. When cats don't feel well, they might modify how they act. If you see any of these signs or think your cat may have eaten a poisonous plant, you need to act right away. Contact your veterinarian. Get help right away from a professional. Get in touch with your vet and tell them about the possible plant contact. If you can, include the name of the plant. Get plant samples. If it's safe to do so, get plant samples or a picture of the plant to show your vet.
This can help you figure out what kind of plant it is and how poisonous it is.
Keep an eye on your cat. While you wait for a vet's advice, keep a close eye on your cat's health. Write down any new signs or changes in how you act. Get emergency medical care if necessary. In serious cases, like if your cat is having seizures or trouble breathing, you should get emergency medical care right away. When it comes to plant poisoning, remember that getting help early is very important. If you have poisonous plants in your home, you might want to get rid of them or put them somewhere your cat can't get to. The best way to keep your cat safe and healthy is to avoid problems before they happen. We hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Hope to meet again with new content.